Yo, yo, yo. Only Jamaican can do this. See the man food truck, yeah? He's a school bus in take and turn in a food truck. Alright, I'm showing you. Alright, look for the settings. You can come in and sit down. Yeah. The bar, so you can get anything you want. You have stool. This is in the bus, you know, people. You have a stool, you have a thing you can even charge up your phone. Yo, mad. In TV, what are you talking about?
TV on the other side, sir.
The police are TV from the next side, you see it? You see the policeman are yard in uncomfortable, you see, eating ice cream. Remember I tell you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up the chef.
Yeah, man.
Every time, my boy. Yeah, man. Every time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See it? Man thing mad. Man thing set up alright. Official. That's it.
The bar just sitting down if I never phone. And you go down there, I spend money, I will have some buy for our buy, and other girl I will have buy. And you could come and buy to the family to make some more money. And who can nice and vice versa love. This one bag of excitement that could have been for Corona. No Corona fucking government money, prime minister know. The whole fucking world know. But you sit down every day and want to play that. The whole of is a bunch of fucking years that takes hard after one little batty boy with all intent. Then you never care when you and I have sense. Man America tell him what to do. You don't have to run away in blood clot, no so on the road and you to drive. You don't even on the road to drive and only take one and use no like one fucking idiot. Me, I never vote to one batty boy in the world. Not one of them. So I shouldn't even know them upset with the spirit in them. Our blood clot 6 o'clock currently. Tell them to turn them batty thinking germs in wife that. No boy can't send me on the bed. No boy. A boy can know that. They don't care about the prime minister, they don't care about no blood clot boy from the kid. No boy can't send me on my bed. I want to go fucking come there and want to tell him to come tell me that. I want to tell him to come drive in the people and send people to them. Make me see what send me on my bed. No boy from the face of the third can't put on my bed and say, me is ready. Tired of them, man. I want to know it too. I want to follow him up and fuck with you. I want to know so I can with somebody. Well, mass, all of it, you don't know a police. You don't know how tight every God Almighty day. So we don't have a mass. Bad police are pretty cheap with gun pound this one have a mass. You know, if you tell the man, so uno, a black blood clot road. That's it, uno, I say. Uno buy one bag of pretty cheap because Corona come out. Because big, you no money now. This. So uno comes so now. And uno get pretty cheap, uno good now. Buy a quick. Remember some of the one time people used to say, you know, we don't see uno till blood clot next year. Now every night, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, uno come to the car place. No boy can send me no bed. I would have tell the prime
Look more, man. Look more. I really think matter, man. Look more.
No prime minister, no boy.
Look more, boss, man.
Tell him,
look
say,
more.
me tell him that.